Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Sonata versus Civic. We'll explore key differences to help you decide which car best fits your lifestyle. The Sonata typically offers more interior space and a smoother ride, appealing to those prioritizing comfort. Conversely, the Civic often boasts a more agile driving feel and better fuel efficiency in its standard models. Let's dive into the specifics of performance, features, and overall value to guide your choice. When it comes to performance, the Hyundai Sonata generally offers a more relaxed and comfortable ride, often with a standard engine producing around 191 horsepower. This suits highway cruising well. The Honda Civic, conversely, typically provides a more spirited and agile driving experience, with its base engine offering about 158 horsepower. Its responsive handling makes city driving enjoyable. Both offer optional, more powerful engines for those seeking extra zip. Inside, the Hyundai Sonata typically provides a more spacious cabin, especially for rear passengers, and often boasts a larger trunk, great for families or long trips. The Honda Civic, while smaller, offers a well-designed, driver-centric interior with intuitive controls. Both vehicles come equipped with impressive technology, including large touchscreens, smartphone integration, and comprehensive safety suites. Your preference depends on whether you prioritize maximum space or a more compact, sporty feel. Ultimately, choosing between the Hyundai Sonata and the Honda Civic depends on your priorities. The Sonata often provides excellent value for its size and features, offering a comfortable and spacious ride. The Civic, while smaller, is renowned for its reliability, strong resale value, and engaging driving dynamics. Consider your daily commute, passenger needs, and budget. Both are fantastic cars, but one will likely align better with your specific needs. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.